Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi passive income. So today we have yet again another baked beans fork and it is called French fries and it is on the Polygon network. So before moving further, if you enjoy the content then please consider subscribing to the channel because I try to inform you guys about different crypto projects and I want you to be a part of my crypto investing journey. So this project is going to be launched after 15 hours at the time of making this video. So by the time you are watching this video, it should be already live. So this is basically the copy of Baked Beans, which is the real OG miner on the Binance Smart Chain. So this protocol functions the same, but they are going with a different theme in this protocol. They are going with the French fries theme. So French fries finance the most satisfying rewards pool. Earn up to 5 to 8% daily. Lowest developer fee of 2%, which is good. And there is a referral bonus of 12%. So it is not live yet, so we cannot see how much metrics are in the contract. So what happens in these types of protocols is basically you come over here, you commit your metrics. Suppose if you wanna commit 100 metrics, just type in 100 and click on fry fries. That will deposit your 100 metrics and it will convert your 100 metrics into fries. And the higher number of fries that you have, the more rewards they will generate for you per day in the form of metric tokens. So these protocols sustain themselves by following a strategy called 6:1 strategy, where you basically compound 6 days a week and take your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose you are committing your 100 metrics on Monday, then on Tuesday you will come at the same time and you will click on Fry button, which is basically the compound button. You will do the same thing until Saturday, but on Sunday you will come at the same time and you will click on the Eat Fries button and claim your rewards from that day into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. So everyone follows the same protocol of 6:1 and this helps these types of projects to sustain themselves for upcoming months. If we talk about the Baked Beans, which is the real OG miner, it was launched on October and even after 6 months it is still going strong. So as you can see, their daily return is 8% and their buy and sell tax is 2%. So it is their quick guide, the 6:1 strategy, refry 6 days per week and eat 1 day per week. Well, going over the website, I am not really pleased with its UI and aesthetic. It looks like some school grade kid put it together to earn some quick money. There is no particular text choice, every text is kind of different and there are punctuation errors as well here and there. So I'm not really pleased with the website itself. So that's why I say please do your own research before investing into any of these projects because they are super risky and don't take any advice from any YouTuber. So their contract is not live, so we cannot see the transactions as of yet. So coming over to their white paper, it kind of feels empty and half baked. There are like 4 to 5 pages with all the basic informations, nothing extra, nothing more. Seems like someone have just copied and pasted over here. So I'm not kind of pleased. It looks like a cash grab to me. So guys, please do your own research. I will leave all the links down in the description box below so you can go through them yourselves and read as much as you can. So guys, this is it for today's video. I am not really sold onto this project. Kinda looks basic and very much fishy. So I don't think I'm going to invest in this one. And also I would not suggest you guys to put your money in here because it might be a scam. So it's an upcoming project, so I thought I would inform you guys. So that's it for today's video. If you have enjoyed the content, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.